Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Alan Anthony from Phone Tech at Work, and today we're going to do an unboxing of the T-Mobile version of the LG V60 ThinQ 5G. So let's start the video. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Pow. Alright guys, so here we have the LG V60 ThinQ 5G from T-Mobile. I know it's a lot to say, but it's definitely something that I really wanted to check out. And it's finally come in the building. UPS actually dropped it off at the wrong location, but it is finally here, and that's all that really matters. So I do have the dual screen version, so if you guys didn't know, you can actually buy this separately without the dual screen for $100 less when it comes to T-Mobile, or you can get it from AT&T, and I believe you have to redeem it through LG.com if you want to get that dual screen, but I think it's still about the same price or maybe a little bit more. And if you want to get it on Verizon, they're charging $9.49, and I think you still have to redeem it at LG.com. I'm not positively sure on that. If you guys want to pick this up, they are having a BOGO deal, which I did take advantage of, but I kind of might want to return the second one. So let's definitely see what's inside the box. T-Mobile version. I do not want to showcase my information there, but that's what it says. LG V60 ThinQ 5G, dual hands, and on the bottom we got the Qualcomm Snapdragon LG Gate, whatever that is, and it does have my information on the other side. So let's pop out little Mickey. Let's unbox this. So you have two tabs here. You got one over here, all right, and you have one on the bottom. As soon as you break these seals, this phone is officially yours. I did actually talk with T-Mobile, and they don't have a restocking fee when you buy it online. I was unaware of that. It does have a 1080p display, which is a little bit weird to me, but the price itself is what actually makes this a top contender, because for the price, you're definitely getting this for under $1,000. I think I paid $850 for this. So it's definitely not a phone that's over $1,000 just yet, unless you bought it with insurance or whatnot, but over the case. So this is what it looks like when it comes to the dual screen, how to install, how to remove it. So you do get that. So let's just pop this tab off. So I did really want to get the LG G8X, but the thing about that one is that I was kind of waiting for a 2020 device from LG. So that's the reason why I didn't get that, because I kind of felt like the G9 would come out first, but it didn't. So this came out, and trust me guys, I'm doing a sloppy job with the unboxing because I'm kind of in a rush. I literally had to chase down the UPS guy, who had to chase down the person who we really give the package to. So here we have the microfiber cleaning cloth, and we have the phone itself. This phone is actually pretty big. This is not a small device. Oh wow, this. Alright, so here is the Mate 20X. Alright, so on the inside you get a SIM card. You have your warranty guide here that's telling you that you have a warranty. It has a 90-day of purchase. You must register or whatever. And here's what you get on the inside if you do get the T-Mobile version. I've been waiting on the unlock model, but there's no signs of that coming. Alright, so here on the inside here you have a little white pamphlet. Should have your user guides and your SIM injection tool if you guys don't have one already. Welcome to T-Mobile. Pretty simple, pretty easy, straight to the point. Alright, so let's just put that to the side and check out the phone itself. Now I did went with the blue version. I totally forgot what the name was, but let's just pop this baby open and see what it looks like. Alright, so let's just pop this out. I'm getting a lot of notifications. So what I like about this one is that it has a gold trimming around here. So if you guys can see the gold trim, it's pretty dope. It does kind of look like the iPhone, how it looked like when it first came out with the iPhone 6. Let me take out the back stickers and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so here is the LG V60 ThinQ 5G. This is almost like a navy blue type of color. When it does hit the light, it doesn't really reflect, so it's not like one that, you know, you say how it changes the color when it hits the light. It definitely looks navy blue. I think on camera it might look a little purple, but this is definitely navy blue. So as you guys can see from the camera lenses here, I will leave a link down below where you guys can check out all the specs. Now, this is a pretty heavy phone. This is not a light phone at all. Let me check out some of the specs here. So it does have a Snapdragon 865 processor, 8 gigabytes of RAM, and it does have a micro SD card slot that's probably on the inside. It doesn't look like it has another pin to take out a separate one, and it does have a 5,000 milliamp battery, so that's probably the reason why this phone is so heavy. And one thing that it does also come with is a headphone jack, which is pretty rare, and I'm definitely impressed with that. Now let's just look at the dual screen. I'm very curious, why would this cost $100 more? Here's what you get when you open up the dual screen. You do have this little, it's almost like a MagSafe cable where you just plug it in there. So if you want to charge up your phone, you can charge it up with that, and you just have to plug in the Type-C cable in there, just like so. And how it works is you just put this inside. It's pretty simple. So if you ever had a phone case, it's pretty much the same thing. So let's just power this up for the first time. Alright, let's clean it up. I remember the last phone that I had from LG, I was cleaning it the whole entire video. Everyone was getting mad at me. Alright, the LG V60 ThinQ from T-Mobile. So let's just see what happens. I probably have to set it up first before this works, but it does have the always on display right there. LG dual screen. Alright guys, so that's about it for the unboxing. This does also have a sticker on here. Alright, so here is the phone with the case on next to the Mate 20X. Now they're very similar in size, both directions. These are really, really big phones, guys. So let me just show you a phone that's not around this size. So I do have the Pixel 4 XL right here. As you can see that from the back, I do have a case on that one as well. Just look at the thickness of this. I do have an iPhone 7 Plus. If you guys have an iPhone, just check that out. Go back to autofocus here. Just look at the thickness, just like so with the case on. If you guys have an 11 Pro Max, here's what it looks like with the case on. It just towers over that phone. And if you guys have a Pixel 2 XL, this is what it looks like now. I do have a Galaxy S20 without a case on, but there's night and day. It's not even close to even being that size or thickness. But alright guys, this is the LG V60 ThinQ 5G. If you guys are curious, if you guys want to pick them up, I will leave a link down below. I have been noticing that a lot of people have been having issues trying to order this. I think that Grant S was saying that he tried to order it online and there was a lot of errors. That was the same problem that I had. So we will definitely get into this. I might do a initial impressions just to show you what everything looks like and how is everything so far. But this is just the unboxing, and if you guys like this video, hit it with a thumbs up and follow Phone Tech at Work for more videos like this of the LG V60 ThinQ and more tech to come. Peace and love. I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.